Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, as you all know that Cognizant has started hiring for Gen C developer profile for 2020, 2020 and 2021 batch pass out, and the last date was 24th of October. So now today 27th of October they have started sending this first round, which is the assessment round email. So if you haven't received the email yet, you still wait for us because the test date is this 30th of October. So 30th of October, the student can, log in until 2.5 hours after the start time of and the commencement of the test. And yes, duration is 100 minutes as per the pattern. I'll share the pattern as well. So this is how the date of test is. So guys, you also have to take care of the system requirements and some important points. So yes, the exam will happen in the safe exam browser, which is SEB. And yes, they also recommend you to check each and everything before installation of this software. So this is the system requirement. You can go through in details. It will be Linux is not supported. The Windows memory space you can just check out. And yes, all your this Mozilla Firefox version and Google Chrome version, every browser version is mentioned here. You can just check out. And yes, minimum your internet speed should be 2 Mbps for this particular test. The URL of the test is mentioned here in below this. So yes, and this is auto login. You need not to you need not to enter any separate ID and password. The link will automatically log in from here, and you have the candidate ID. It is also mentioned here. So yeah, make sure that everything you check out the system requirements. And yes, let's discuss about the pattern now. So the pattern will be the three sections would be there, like quantitative, English, English comprehension, then logical, and these will be your sections. So basically for quants it will be 25 questions in 35 minutes, and English it will be 20 questions in 20 minutes approximately, and logical 35 questions in 45 minutes approximately. So overall it will be an 100 minutes test. And yes, two important points: negative marking is not there, and yes, intersectional navigation or intrasectional both is not applicable. You can't navigate between two sections or between questions. So the timer will start. So yeah, you will not be able to navigate between these. So this was all about. So guys, yeah, the test is on 30th. So yeah, in case you haven't received the exam email, so yeah, wait for till 30th, because before that only you can get, or on the same day also you can get. Also guys, do share with your friends. In case you have any doubt or query, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Till then guys, have a great day, be safe, bye.